Internet and networking. Network: a collection of interconnected computers and devices that can share the data and resources. Internet: Internet, a global network of interconnected computers that allows communication and information exchange. Computer security: antivirus software programs designed to protect a computer from malware, viruses, and other security threats. Computer security: firewall, a security system that controls incoming and outgoing network traffic to protect a computer or network from unauthorized access or attacks. In this picture, you can see that there is a firewall and the unauthorized access, it is blocked by the firewall. The network traffic controlled by the firewall. Basic operations: boot, the process of starting or rebooting a computer, it is known as boot. In the following GIF booting video, you can see the procedure of booting. Shutdown. Shutdown, the process of turning off a computer. Click on Start, then Shutdown. The shutdown process begin. Restart. The process of shutting down and immediately starting a computer. Click Start, then Restart. The restarting procedure begins.